The Nissan Juke 2025 is expected to make its way to the United States, bringing with it a host of exciting updates and features. Let's dive into what we know so far about this compact crossover. The exterior of the Nissan Juke 2025 is likely to feature a refreshed design with new LED headlights, taillights, and a front grille that gives it a bold and dynamic look. The car might also come with 19-inch alloy wheels and various color options to choose from. In the United States, the Juke might be available in a range of colors, including metallic and pearlescent finishes. Inside, the Nissan Juke 2025 is expected to boast a range of advanced features, including a new infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Some versions might also feature a digital instrument cluster and a premium audio system, providing a more immersive driving experience. Given the U.S. market's love for technology, it's likely that the Juke will come with a range of connectivity options and driver assistance features. The powertrain options for the Nissan Juke 2025 in the United States might include a 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing around 115 horsepower. There's also a possibility of a hybrid powertrain option, which could appeal to buyers looking for better fuel efficiency. The car might come with a 6-speed manual transmission or a continuously variable transmission, CVT, both of which are popular in the U.S. market. Safety features in the Nissan Juke 2025 are expected to include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The car might also feature advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and traffic jam assist, which are increasingly popular in the United States. Given the emphasis on safety in the U.S. market, it's likely that the Juke will come with a range of standard safety features. The Nissan Juke 2025 might also come with various convenience features such as keyless entry, push-button start, and automatic climate control. Some versions might also feature a panoramic sunroof and heated seats, which are popular options in the U.S. market. With its range of features and options, the Juke is likely to appeal to buyers looking for a compact crossover that offers a mix of style, technology, and practicality. The price of the Nissan Juke 2025 in the United States is expected to start around $25,000 for the base model, with higher trims and hybrid versions costing upwards of $35,000. The car is likely to be available at Nissan dealerships across the country, with potential buyers able to pre-order or test drive the vehicle closer to its release date. The Nissan Juke has been a popular choice in other markets, and it's likely to generate significant interest in the United States. With its unique design, agile handling, and feature-packed interior, the Juke 2025 could be a strong contender in the compact crossover segment. As more information becomes available, potential buyers will be able to make informed decisions about whether the Juke 2025 is the right car for them. In terms of competition, the Nissan Juke 2025 will likely go up against other compact crossovers like the Ford EcoSport, Hyundai Kona, and Volkswagen T-Cross. Each of these models offers a unique blend of style, features, and performance, so potential buyers will need to compare them carefully to find the best fit for their needs. The Nissan Juke 2025's design might also feature some subtle updates to its exterior and interior styling, potentially including new materials and trim options. Some versions might also come with unique features like LED ambient lighting or a premium sound system, which could appeal to buyers looking for a more premium driving experience. Overall, the Nissan Juke 2025 seems like an exciting update to the compact crossover segment, offering a mix of style, technology, and performance that could appeal to a wide range of buyers in the United States. As more information becomes available, we'll be able to get a better sense of how the Juke 2025 stacks up against the competition and whether it's the right car for potential buyers. With its refreshed design, advanced technology features, and improved performance, the Nissan Juke 2025 is shaping up to be a strong contender in its class. Whether you're looking for a stylish city car or a feature-packed compact crossover, the Juke 2025 might be worth considering. Given the current trends in the automotive industry, it's likely that the Juke will come with a range of innovative features and technologies that will appeal to buyers in the United States. The Nissan Juke has always been known for its bold and dynamic design, and the 2025 model seems set to continue this trend. With its updated styling, advanced technology, and improved performance, this car is likely to generate significant interest among compact crossover buyers in the U.S. market. As the automotive market continues to evolve, Nissan's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction is evident in the J.